A pleasant welcome to all. Now we are going to study about the topic types of interview. Video lecture and e-content created by author R.D.Sivakumar, MSc MPhil Tech, Assistant Professor of Computer Science and Assistant Professor and Head Department of MCom CA, IN College, Sivakasi. Mobile 09944042243. Email sivamscsit@gmail.com. Website www.rdsivakumar.blogspot.in. Co-author K. Yogeshwari, MCom CA, IN College, Sivakasi. Types of interview. There are many types of interviews. Once you are selected for an interview, you may experience one or more of the situation described below. When you schedule an interview, try to get as much information about whom you will be meeting. It is rare to have only one interview prior to a job offer. Most employers bring back to candidate a number of times to be sure he or she will fit into a company culture. Traditional face-to-face interview. Most interviews are face-to-face. The most traditional is one-on-one conversation. Your focus should be on the person asking question. Maintain eye contact, listen and respond once a question has been asked. Your goal is to establish rapport with the interviewer and show him or her that your qualifications will benefit the organization. Group interview. A group interview is usually designed to uncover the leadership potential of prospective managers and employees. The front runners are gathered in an informal discussion type interview. A subject is introduced and the interviewer starts the discussion. Goal of the group interviews is to see how to interact with others and how you can use your knowledge and reasoning to influence others. Telephone interview. Many organizations conduct interviews by telephone to narrow the field of candidates. Telephone interviews may also be used as preliminary interviews for candidates who live far away from the job site. It is important to treat the interview as you would a face-to-face connection. Arrange for a quiet space and time to schedule the conversation. Clear a work surface to minimize the distraction. Telephone interview. Focus on a conversation. Listen to the questions carefully before you answer. Since your voice is the key, convey energy with the inflections in your voice. Have a copy of your resume nearby as a reference. Avoid using a phone with call waiting. You do not want to interrupt it during an interview. Preliminary interview. Preliminary interview are also known as screening interviews. If the number of candidates is large and time is disposal of the interviewers is too short for in-depth interviews. Preliminary interview questions are used to weed out the candidates falling below the cutoff point. Normally, preliminary interviews are held on campus, where the duration is quite short to interview or available candidates in depth. Thank you.